Right, I've got a drawing here. I'm going to discuss one little command here, or it's a silent command. It's kind of embedded in another command here that it's been around for years, but really not many people know about it, or those that do know about it have seen or forgotten about it. It's called the select last option. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm just going to have it, lined up right here within these other circles. So let me just go ahead and do the line up here and have these in here. And that circle will have the same radius as the other circles. Okay. And sometimes we kind of get in the busyness of our work that we forget, hey, what was that circle? Or what was that last item that I just drew? Well, I want to move that last item in this case. I want to use the move command. And instead of selecting, you can't do previous because there was nothing that we did previous, but I'm going to use last. At the command line, I'm going to type in last. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to select that circle that I just last drew, at this point I can proceed to move that last circle. Okay. I can proceed to erase items if I want. Let me just erase a couple here. Let me move a couple. Okay. And we all know what the move previous does. So if I do the move command, okay, and I do P for previous, I'll get those two items. But those aren't the items that I want to move. I want to use the move command and I want to do last. I still have the option to select the last item I just drew. So just something to help you out with in your selections. Hopefully this helps you out and works for you. All right, good day.